Needle reads near 0. This corrosion is deep. Seems like the factory paint underneath is barely holding on. Some cars don't just return, they remember. You came.
The money's all here.
Thank you. Okay, headlights gunked solid, grille corroded, hood ornament tilted, roof shredded. Right, we have our work cut out for us. The front is up. Okay, setting the jack stand. Looks solid. Check the back now. Moving the jack. Be careful, it's really bad under here. Yeah, heat shield's gone, exhaust is shot, surface corrosion everywhere. Chassis solid, floor pan perforated. Time to write this up. It's front left tire, completely flat, crumbling. Wheel is severely rusted. Rear left, sidewall rubber is perished, hubcap.
All right, ready?
Ready.
Push, hard. Got it.
Chassis recoverable, floor needs patches, full metalwork.
Right.
And a full rebuild on the V8, chrome, and interior.
Understood.
Okay, start the work order. Okay. That looks worse than I thought.
Yeah, she's a total loss.
Not for me.
All right, time to soak this beast. Cover everything. Looks like it's eaten right through the grease.
Okay, let's try again. Hold it open. Wow, the smell is intense. Check out the seats.
The wood veneer is heavily cracked and lifting. Instrument bezels corroded. Needles seized. Padding cracked.
God, this is really fused. Look at this mess. Okay, I see them. 3 holes at the front. Mark those up, let's get patches cut. The transmission is locked up tight, no movement at all. The window switches are dead, no function. Okay, the badge is off. Got the last bolt here. Let's lift it together. Ready? Just need to attach this work order.
Okay, that's the last one. Easy now, this thing is heavy. Watch your side.
Okay, down.
Right, check the pitting. Looks bad. I'll write the order.
Okay, the side trim is off. Now for the roof pinstripe. Gotta get a good photo first, then bag these clips.
Handles unbolted and released. Into bags.
Yeah.
Labeled for replating.
Right.
All handles secured.
Direction.
Ready for inspection.
All right, bolts are loose. Let's get it out. Watch the dust, it's gonna be a cloud. Okay, placing it on the bench.
Now the wiring. Be careful. Got it. Over to the bench.
All right, firewall's clear. Got it.
Brittle, huh?
Yeah, breaking all over. Watch the clips. Hooks are in.
Clear underneath?
All clear.
All clear. Going up.
Transmission bolts are loose. Check those front mounts.
Got them.
Verified. Bring it up slowly. Okay, engaging the lift. Keep it steady. Watch the chain tension. It's clearing. Gentle now. Perfect. All right, lowering it now. Easy does it.
Yeah.
Just a little to the left. Perfect. Chains off. Now for a closer look.
All right, systems check complete.
Ready when you are, Lisa.
Initiating blast sequence now.
All right, final pass on the subframe mounts. Looking good. Excellent. The floor pan is spotless.
Okay, driver sill confirmed, floor pan confirmed.
New hole here at the rear.
Yep. Map the pitting.
Structures.
All right, pits here. Low spot. Need to mark that.
Got it. Chalking the corrosion.
Converter zone stable, dark color confirmed.
Second coat applied to the edge. All right, section 1 and 2 are treated. Checked. Circling the patch locations now. Copy that. All right, templates traced. Ready to cut, Lisa? Go for it. Let's make some sparks. Checking the fit now. Perfect. All right, this is the last one. Just have to make sure it's perfectly flush.
Perfect.
Perfect. 9 down, all smooth.
Checklist complete. The panels are prepped.
Yeah.
Looks perfect. Ready for guide coat.
All right, reverse sequence engaged.
Got it.
Heads loose, lift together.
Steady.
Gasket looks worn right here.
Yep, time for a full rebuild. Main bearing caps are off. We can lift the crank now.
Clear.
Time for the hot tank. Running the cycle now. Clean a whistle. Clean as a whistle. Now for the measurements. All right, grinding the journals to spec. Polish that until it gleams. Bearings are in. Lowering the crank carefully. Torque specs are good.
All panels flat and true. Guide coat removed evenly. Ready for the next stage.
The epoxy is clean and smooth. Now for the high build. Almost there, just these two spots. Sanded smooth, let's prime it again. No shadows anywhere, perfect. The car is prepped and ready for paint. All right, weighing out the base coat. Check the viscosity now. Perfect, ready for application.
Mask all the glass and trim carefully. We start the base coat in 10 minutes.
Rear confirmed. Sides confirmed. Hood confirmed. All systems go.
Yep, that's perfect.
Looking good, the viscosity is right. Let's go. Masking tape edges confirmed. All good to go. Pressure set, viscosity confirmed, spray pattern perfect, ready to spray.
All right, first coat complete.
Excellent work. Looks perfect. All right, final pass complete. Flawless coverage. We're ready for clear coat.
Doors sealing now.
Heat lamps on. Curing process begins.
Timer set for final hard cure.
Wow, look at that finish.
Perfect, just as expected.
No overspray anywhere.
Incredible work, team. All right, wiring harness connected, all gauges responding. Perfect. The burl walnut looks incredible. It's perfect.
Unbelievable.
She's ready to go.